Hey guys! So it's a new year and it's time for me to kind of ramp up my channel and just talk about the things that I am actually really interested in. So, sorry, I need to take a sip of this tea because it's fresh. Did I put salt in here? Something's not right. But yeah, I wanted to kind of make my channel more personal and talk more about the things that I'm really interested in, and I'm really interested in products. And I know you're probably like, yeah, okay, you're like a beauty blogger, that's, of course you love products, but like, no, I love products. I love to buy products, I love to try products, I love to smell them and touch them, I love to use them and talk about them, I like to store them like a hoarder. I especially really love hair products because I feel like as a natural girl, I'm always on the quest for the perfect product, the perfect leave-in, the perfect shampoo, perfect conditioner, whatever it should be, you know? And, you know, there are different combinations that work better for different hair types and different hair textures. And so I just wanted to talk about the products that really work well for me, that are tried and true, that I spend my money on, that I keep spending my money on, and in hopes that, you know, this can really benefit you guys who don't know that much about products or don't want to have to spend money on products to try it. I will be your guinea pig. So I wanted to start off with leave-in conditioner, and I know you're probably like, okay, well, why did you not start off with like a shampoo or conditioner? Well, this is my thing. I've found that even the worst shampoos and conditioners that dry your hair or make your hair feel like crap can be remedied with a leave-in or a moisturizer most times. And so I found that, you know, when I've tried a shampoo that was just overly drying or a conditioner that was overly drying, if I slather my hair in one of these leave-ins that I absolutely love, my hair will feel like it's back to normal. So you can skimp a little bit on your shampoo and your conditioner so long as you have a really great leave-in or a moisturizer that can help to replenish that moisture back into your hair. So without any further ado, I don't want to get too chatty, so let's get on with actually this is in no particular order. These are all very different leave-in conditioners. They all do very different things. They come in very different packaging, which is also very important to note. So I'm going to start off with the one that I think I have used the most of. Actually, that's a lie. I've used so much Giovanni. We're gonna start with this one. This is my all-star. It's the Giovanni Direct Leave-In Weightless Moisture Conditioner. This one, this is probably, I don't even know how many bottles I've gone through this. I get a 3-pack of this from Amazon because I love it so much. I go through it so much. And this has been my go-to for ever. This is for all hair types, and this is a natural leave-in. Has natural botanicals that moisturize and detangle hair while infusing weightless body for easy styling. So this is also a really great one for those of you who have loose curls and don't want your hair to be weighed down by anything too heavy, because it has a light conditioning property. It's not super hydrating, but it's definitely going to get you through for the day or two. I actually told someone that I really love this conditioner and they were like, you still use this? And I was like, why wouldn't I? It's fantastic. It has this really great quality. So when your hair is wet and you apply this, it gives off a frothiness that makes your hair literally kind of like melt. And all the tangles that you have melt away. It's super light. It has this kind of creamy but thin, kind of clear consistency to it. So it really has almost no color whatsoever. But I really like it because it really helps me to detangle my hair no matter what state it's in. If it's mangled and tangled from a shampoo or conditioner that just did not agree with me, this leave-in conditioner works really well to detangle my hair and also gives me really great moisture. So sometimes what I'll do is for a wash and go, I'll just shampoo, conditioner, do, you know, whatever process I feel like I need to do at the moment, and I'll slather all of this in my hair, just let it air dry, and that's it. So it doesn't have much hold to it. You're not gonna get a lot of hold, but it's gonna make your hair feel really soft and detangled. So let's go back to this Qhemet I think it's Qhemet. I am probably butchering this, but this is the Qhemet Biologics Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee with barley brass and nettle leaf. I have gone through this container. I love it as a leave-in. It's really great for detangling. It smells very earthy. It smells like cocoa butter. And this one is a lot creamier than the Giovanni leave-in, direct leave-in. So it's way more opaque because it is that cocoa butter, but it's extremely, extremely moisturizing. So if you have dry, brittle hair, if your hair is color treated, if it's just damaged from the heat, this is really gonna make your hair feel really, really soft and really, really moisturized. And for those of you wondering if this leaves any sort of white cast, because the product is white, it doesn't. It just melts right into your hair. It dries completely clear. I haven't had any issues with flaking or any sort of whiteness in my hair. It's really nice. And this is also another sort of natural product. It has nettle leaf in it, barley, horsetail. It is important to note that it's paraben free, there's no mineral oil in it, and of course there's no like sulfates or anything like that. So I am absolutely loving this for hair that needs a lot of moisture and care. Speaking of hair that needs moisture and care, this is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this one is meant to instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. I like this one because it's really, really thin consistency, so a lot like the Giovanni leave-in, it's not going to leave any sort of color or residue in your hair. It's just going to dry completely clear. But what I like about it is that if I know that I am going to do some sort of like a rough blowout, or that I might apply a little bit of heat from the blow dryer to my hair, I will use some of this just to protect my strands from any heat damage. But it's also really great for repairing your hair if it is already damaged from color or heat or anything really that, you know, damages your hair. So this is really great after shampoo or conditioner. I will say that this does not have the most moisturizing properties to it. It's more so really great for repairing and sort of restructurizing your hair. I think this one has a ton of proteins in it, so it's gonna make your hair feel a lot stronger and healthier. But I don't use this one every day. Like I said, I particularly use it when I'm going to be doing some sort of heat styling, or if I feel like my hair just needs a little bit more strength somehow. This one is really, really great for that. Now this one is a new favorite, and I particularly like this one because it has the spray nozzle. So this is from Form. It's the Multitask Leave-In Lotion. It's a 3-in-1, which is supposed to, what is it supposed to do? Why is it 3-in-1? It's 3-in-1 because I think it's just like a leave-in. It's supposed to prime your hair, and I think it's supposed to give you moisture. Oh, it's supposed to refresh your curls also the next day. So you can use this the next day just to refresh your curls. You can use it to prime your hairstyle. Say if you want to do a twist out or if you want to do a braid out, this one's going to really give you great moisture and definition. Sometimes I actually just use this by itself for a twist out or a braid out. Doesn't give me that much hold at all. It's not a holding product, but sometimes I like that soft twist out look where it's not that much hold. It doesn't last me more than a day, if we're being honest, but I just like soft hair sometimes. So this one's really, really, really great if you want to prime your hair for a twist out, braid out, or if you just want to spray in a little bit of leave-in just for some moisturization. This one is extremely moisturizing. I really love this one. It has aloe in it, which helps to balance the pH balance of your hair, has coconut oil in there, and has avocado oil in there, some shea butter. So like I said, super, super moisturizing, this one, if your hair is really dry. But it's also really great for all hair types. So if you have a looser hair type and you're worried about your hair being weighed down, this is not going to give you weighed down hair either. This one has more of a sort of opaque coloring, so it is white, but it dries completely clear in your hair. No flakes. I don't have any white cast or anything like that. And I just love how simple and easy it is to use. Just spray it all over and sort of work it in. So yeah, I'm loving this one from Form, and I'm actually really loving the Form collection. I've been trying their products, and I actually really like a lot of their products. So I'll be talking about them a little bit more when I talk about kind of like setting or styling products, because they have a really great like curl gel that I like. So yeah, love this one, especially if you love a spray bottle. And then lastly, but certainly not least, is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. This one is just so fantastic. It's so juicy. It just makes your hair, it detangles really well. It melts the hair and makes it really nice and soft and shiny. This one has extracts of coconut, amla, sugar beetroot, green tea, lemon, apple, sugarcane. It doesn't have any parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils. This one's also on the more natural side as well. And it says it's meant to hydrate and soften, helps prevent styling products from flaking and hardening. So yeah, just says to apply liberally. It says to apply liberally through hair after shampooing or co-washing, and then just gently detangle your hair. So I like this one as a detangler. This one is a really great like lightweight moisturizer to moisturize your hair. But like I said, if you're looking for something that's extremely moisturizing, this one is your best bet. The Qhemet Biologics, the Detangling Ghee. This would be the most moisturizing product of them all, but this one is really, really great for giving you hydration and for making your hair feel really nice and soft. So this one's also really great for all hair types if you have like a looser curled type. So it's not going to give you a white cast or flake or anything like that. So yeah, these are my top favorite leave-in conditioners. These are the ones that I go to time and time and time again. I replenish all the time because they just work really well for the health and the strength of my hair. My hair has been growing very rapidly, and it's been a really easy journey, to be honest. Since my big chop, my hair has just been flourishing. It's been easy to manage, just because of the products in my routine that I've been following. So yeah, that's my favorite leave-ins. I'm gonna do my favorite shampoos next, because I think it's important to talk about shampooing and co-washing as well. So that is pretty much everything for now. Let me know what you guys really love as a leave-in conditioner, and then we can kind of share together our favorites. So I love you all, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!